these types of thunder. No types of thunder. Types of this lightning, guys. Sometimes it gets hot at night. These lightnings are like the heat lightning. Heat lightning. Right now, they hear thunder with a lightning. That is different, right? This one is the heat lightning. It is heat lightning. It is different. How much types of these lightning? Lightning with thunderstorms or with yeah. The heat lightning is right now. It is quiet. It's just quiet right now. No thunder. Wow. That's cool, guys. I really like this weather. I like this video. Guys, how was the video? Leave a thumbs up or a comment down below. This video would be awesome. When we get a few more lightning, I'll get our camera. Then I'll be done with it. 5 more. Got 5 more. 2 more. And 1 more. Alright, that's it. Oops, sorry guys. That is not thunder, but I hit it on the elbow on this way. Five. No, I have a countdown. I have to in my video right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Subscribe, guys.